Welcome to our new lesson, and today we will look at 5 prompts for agricultural research, advisory and education. The goal of this lesson is to show how ChatGPT can support explanation, summarization and training. It's very important to understand that ChatGPT can be helpful beyond the farm gate. And it's also useful for people working around agriculture, researchers, advisors, educators, students, consultants, and agri-tech teams. In these roles, the ability to explain clearly and summarize efficiently is very valuable. Prompt number 21, literature summary. This is useful as a starting point, especially when a topic feels broad or overwhelming. It will not replace proper literature review, but it can give a fast first map of the subject. The next prompt is about explaining technical concepts simply. This is a very strong educational use case. ChatGPT can help translate technical language into practical language. So you can use this for explaining what is NDVI, machine learning, digital twins, phenotyping, carbon metrics, or many other topics. Prompt number 23, training material outline. This is useful for internal training, workshops, onboarding and educational context. You can ask for objectives, examples, questions, and short quizzes to make the training more engaging. Prompt number 24, technology comparison. This prompt is valuable for advisory work and internal decision making. It helps frame trade-offs in terms of cost, ease to use, frequency, resolution, and scalability. And finally, prompt number 25, structuring experimental or field data. This is a very good prompt for researchers, students, and technical teams. The value is not magical analysis. The value is turning messy notes into a cleaner structure and better follow-up questions, obviously. So let's look at key takeaway from this lesson. In research and education, ChatGPT is most helpful when it acts as a translator, organizer, and teaching assistant. It helps people move from complexity to clarity.